gone, dude. It's gone.
Oh, sweet, I should have.
When I was in, yes, people always comment on this shirt. Some lady walked out, like I was walking in, this lady's way older than me. She's like, "Oh my god, I love your shirt." I was like, "Oh, thanks." It's plenty. And then when I was at the register, I bought this and I got $20 in gas. It came out to $23.19, and I was like, I'm wearing a Pixar shirt. Yeah, everything. I was like, $23.19. I almost said it out loud. And I was like, this lady who has got to be in her 60s is not going to understand what I'm saying at all.
Never know.
Yeah, she don't look like she knows.
She didn't drink it.
Exactly. She ain't going to know. So I was like, when she said I was like $23.19, I was like, oh damn. And I'm like, I'm wearing a Pixar shirt right now too. It's plenty. I was like, it'd be better if I was wearing a Monsters Inc. shirt. That'd have been perfect. Because then I would have no choice but to be like, do something. Run out of the gas station quick.
That was like, I was wearing the Powerline shirt that one time. And there was a guy girl that walked up to me at Walmart and was like, "Is that DuckTales?" And I'm all,
I mean,
Goofy.
You're
Goofy
in the
movie.
right.
Oh, but that's not
universe.
DuckTales.
No, you're yeah. But the thing, but there was no, unless Powerline was in DuckTales. No, but I think DuckTales wasn't being made at that. Well, maybe
No, DuckTales was 80s.
Was the DuckTales in the 80s? I could have sworn it was early 90s. Yeah.
What the hell?
Yeah. Google that
How much you want to
shit.
bet? I'm gonna say 87.
I'm gonna say
88.
I'm gonna say 90 to 92.
One moment. Give me a moment.
Wait, what are we betting?
I don't know. What do you want to? I put Sucktails.
Well, I know what I'm betting now.
Goddamn!
What?
Fucking Speed Racer!
Who, me?
Oh, what did I say?
You said 88.
No, I said 87.
Okay.
Oh, 87. Oh.
Whatever, it ended in 90, so technically I wasn't technically wrong. It ended in 90.
No. There's 3 seasons. 90. You said what?
90 to 92.
No.
So technically...
No, we're going to play this shit back. Final episode, November 28th, 1990.
Oh, 90.
Yeah, but no.
It was on to the 90s. So yeah, most of the time it was just me listening to music, staring out the window for 6 hours, and then I had the big old headphones, and they were like DJ headphones, so they kind of had like a speaker on the outside, because then you can lift, like you see the
Oh yeah,
up,
I know what you're
so
talking about.
you could hear it. So I would have that thing going as loud as it could, and I'd have my parents yelling at me to turn it down because they can hear it. So then they start turning on the music and getting super loud. It was a competition to drown out who. I usually would.
Well, yeah.
Because I had headphones on.
Luckily, my dad listened to all kinds of stuff, so we were able to kind of keep up, like, stay awake. Sometimes I've gotten into parents' cars, friends' parents, and it's always like, and you're sitting there like, fuck, I have 4 hours of this. That sucks.
I think the only one that was, yeah, I went on a long trip once with Jan. Went to Sacramento. And his dad's older, so he was listening to older stuff. And,
like, my older or like...
Yeah, like 60s.
Oh, then I'd be okay with
No,
it.
but it just, the old stuff. And yeah, you'd be okay with that, but as like a, how old were we up there? I don't know, like 12? 13 maybe? No.
Yeah, but see, at that age, I already knew Yellow Submarine. And there was one time my grandma was listening to it, and I knew every single lyric to it. And I remember she turned around, she's all, how do you know this? You gotta think of what Yellow Submarine's about also.
No, I know, but it's, imagine him listening to stuff in the 60s and from 50s and 60s, because he's old. And it's not Yellow Submarine. It's not anything upbeat. It's just
Elevator
kill me
music.
slow. Yes.
This thing is literally light as a fucking feather. Or the quality of it.
Yeah. It is kind of crazy.
Because you have to remember, like, when I first started YouTube when I was 18, right? I bought a Canon, like the handheld ones, right? Where you did
The
this.
camera, yeah, the camcorder. I saw that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have that one still, don't you?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
So I bought that.
I feel like I'm more in. There we go. Yeah, that's better.
I would probably go out that way and turn that way.
It's telling me to go out, and then I have to go out. Look,
And flip
it wants me to flip a bitch. Yeah, so I gotta go out the terribles and then come down and flip it. That's a light right there. I'm surprised it doesn't let me turn up the light. Why don't I just go out, up, and then out? I don't do that. So
Oh, like that.
go out. Yeah. We're gonna go this way and then out up there where that car came in, and then we're gonna go and not have to flip a bitch. That's better. Ah, Wingstop.
Shut the fuck up.
What? I know, right?
Thanks.
Petco.
Where the pets go?
I miss that place because they have saltwater fish.
They have Costco.
Is it right here?
Yes.
Oh man, I miss Costco.
I
So-
seriously cannot believe.
That you got that cool ass camera. Does it have a little carrying case in there or something?
No.
Really? And you think they give you a little something?
You gotta buy it all.
The USB-C. Yeah.
This is
That's how you
this
can-
one.
That's how you're gonna charge it. Yeah, I don't think it came with the charger.
Yeah, great.
But we'll order one online, and then we'll order one on Monday. Remember how you asked me earlier if I was hungry? I'm like, why are you not hungry? I'm hungry now.
You want to get something while we're on here?
No, I just want to go. Just jam.
Okay. You sure? No Wingstop?
That would take like 45 minutes. It would take so long.
Chick-fil-A? from movies.
You can't have that. Oh, I miss Firehouse subs too. They were good.
Firehouse subs? Okay. The option was there. I ain't mad at it. Are you cold?
No, I'm hot. I don't set it to heater. That's all you. It's freezing in July.
Go fuck yourself. Son of a bitch, now that you told me you're hungry, now I'm gonna get even more hungry. Sympathy hunger.
Sympathy hunger? It's alright. Yeah. Which lane I'm turning? Okay. This guy behind me probably is like, I hate that guy.
He's probably like, go back to fucking Arizona.
I'm going. I know, I say it all the time. You know what? No, fuck that guy. You know, I don't yell at the Nevadans.
Yes, you do.
Nevada?
And the only reason why you don't is because Laughlin's right there.
That's right. I don't yell at Nevada, and I don't if I can tell someone's from Needles, I don't yell at them either. But everyone else...
How do you tell if something's from that?
They have a look about.
Kind of pissed I don't get two.
You can't have... Oh, you can have the...
I can have two. They have free buns. That's fine. Is there Chick-fil-A over here?
I don't know.
We're still in Indies.
Come on. This guy. This is the smoothest freeway ever. Like,
What?
I can't admit anything on camera. You can edit that out.
What? You mumbling ass bitch. Say it with your chest.
What is that? A big old factory? Oh yeah, look at all the trucks.
It's different factories.
It's a big old warehouse.
No.
No,
This is FedEx.
No, the one in the brown one in the back. Oh, I swear. Woman? Now the long drive back. Yeah,
Do you need Big Mama to drive?
absolutely not.
Shit.
Hell no, you can brake checking people and getting all angry and... Yeah, no. I got this. Because you're always like, I'm gonna break the fuck check, but... You know what I mean.
You have an A&W?
Dude, I miss A&W. They have a monster museum. Oh no, that's
You said what now?
break the fuck check. I meant to say break check the fuck out of those people because that would be you. Oh, yeah, and then you're gonna do it one day. You're gonna keep telling you, don't do it, don't do it, and you're gonna do it, and then I'm gonna be left with the mess.
Ah!
I feel ya.
Why don't I have snacks in this car?
I don't know. Good question.
I don't know.
67. Missed it. Sorry.
I was watching The Girls Next Door, so it's like White Girls, and she was like, one of the girls, she was like, why is it 69 and not 96? You have this one because they be facing that way.
Yeah.
That's how we're like.
I'm just gonna.
Okay, no, I'm cold. No, give and take.
It's 57 degrees outside. In the sun. Give and take. It's sweating here. It's sauna.
Do you remember that I was telling you that I give a lot during the summertime? Be freezing. And now you're gonna make me fucking freeze.
It's not my fault you freeze.
In the winter. You know, you have a jacket up back there. Sweater.
Put it on.
You put it on.
I'm hot. Why would I put on the sweater?
So, shut the fuck up. You played out so well in my head. So fucking well.
It's not the way I wanted things to go.
Then I thought about it and I was like, put it on so that way I can turn on the heater.
Put on the air. No, put a sweater on. Turn the AC on. Let's do this.
No.
Put it on. And you can be nice and toasty.
Oh.